Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the TrailSlide from CargoGlide. Now before I get into today's product review, if you guys like these videos, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so be sure to catch this as well as all of our latest product reviews and plenty more. Now the TrailSlide is designed for the 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited 4-door, and it's a 100% bolt-in solution that makes getting access to all of the gear and cargo you have stored in the back of your Wrangler very convenient and easy. It means you're not going to have to climb up into your Jeep and digging around to find exactly what you're looking for. You can simply operate that latch with one hand to slide the tray and all of your gear in and back out of your Wrangler. As I mentioned, it is a 100% bolt-in install. It reuses 4 of the factory mounting points for the tie-down loops in the back of your Wrangler. To get the TrailSlide installed, we simply need to remove those 4 bolts and tie-down loops. Then we can remove the rear floor that covers the in-floor storage area. Set the CargoSlide in place, and then we can slide it forward just a few inches to get access to the 2 forward mounting locations, reinstalling the 2 factory bolts we just removed earlier. Then we can fully extend the CargoGlide out, getting us access to the 2 rear mounting locations. And once we have all 4 of those bolts tightened down, that completes the install of your TrailSlide. Now the TrailSlide is compatible with the in-floor subwoofer. However, it is not compatible with the side-mounted rear subwoofer. CargoGlide proudly makes their TrailSlide right here in the USA. The tray itself is made from 6061 T6 aluminum, while the slide mechanism and the mounting bracket are made from steel to give you a very durable and heavy-duty cargo slide that's capable of supporting up to 500 pounds of capacity, while it only comes in at 80 pounds itself. Now the tray measures 29 3/4 inches from the front edge to the back of the tray and 36 3/4 inches from the inside edge from side to side. And when it comes time to tie down your gear, well, CargoGlide includes 4 heavy-duty tie-down rings, and the sides, as you can see, are made from an extruded aluminum that feature a channel built right into the side. Simply slip our tie-down ring into place, slide it to wherever you need a tie-down point, and twist to lock it in place. If you need slightly more usable area inside and you don't want to take that up with a tie-down ring, you can purchase their outside mount tie-down rings separately. Now, it's easy to operate even with one hand. When it's fully loaded, simply squeeze the latch and slide the tray into the locked position. Now, when it is stowed away, let's see, it's a nice, secure, rattle-free latch, so it's not going to drive you crazy rattling as you're headed down the road or the trail. And it's nice and compact, sitting at only 3 1/4 inches above the floor in your Wrangler, so it's not taking up very much cargo storage area, while still giving you all that flexibility of easy access to all your gear. It does feature 3 locking positions as you open it. First, the second, and finally the third is a fully extended position, which means the front edge of the tray is now sitting where the rear edge of the tray was when it's stowed away, giving you very easy access to all the gear you have in the back of your Wrangler. Now, if you guys want to get any more information or to purchase a TrailSlide from CargoGlide for your 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the TrailSlide or how to get it installed in your Jeep, you can always leave this for us down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.